Happy Foodie Friday, roadies! Today is another review. The place is called Ogies, and we went there before the quarantine happened, and we really enjoyed it. We had been recommended it by some friends at Wally's work, and they kept ranting and raving on how big the burritos were there and the other breakfast items, and they serve it all day and really good prices. So we decided to go check it out, and we were really quite impressed. So it's in the West Valley area of the Salt Lake Valley, and it was really quite reasonably priced and tasty as well. And the decor was kind of fascinating. It had old-time family video pictures all over the walls, and it was just kind of fun looking at those and kind of looking to see how people lived back in those days. So it was really kind of an interesting setup. So just a quick hello to everybody, and to hope everybody is being safe and well out there, and that you are managing to get through this quarantine, and can't wait to get out on the road. And we look forward to meeting all you guys when we officially hit the road in 2021. We have projects going on in the trailer all the time. We just got done redoing our electrical system. We changed from a 30 amp to a 50 amp, hoping that that will help the air conditioner to stop flipping the breaker during the summertime, and that we'll be able to handle things a lot better, like the Instant Pot and microwave and all that, not taxing the system so much. So we've had it for about a week now, and so far so good. Things seem to be going well. The weather is still too cold to try the air conditioning system, so we'll just have to see how that goes when the summer comes. Our next project will be getting the kitchen area and rebuilding that. We're getting rid of our RV cooktop oven situation, and we're just going to be putting in a little 2-burner cooktop, because I hated that oven with a passion and wasn't even using it except for storage. So we're just going to put in a 2-burner cooktop, and I'll just continue to use my toaster oven. I have the New Wave Bravo XL toaster oven, which is also an air fryer, and it can do rotisserie and well, not necessarily rotisserie, but it has a probe that you can stick in your meat so they can be cooked properly. And so that is our plan, is to take out the cupboards over there, rebuild them, redo them, and we're gonna get a smaller sink put in so I can have more counter space for prep space, and we're just really excited to get that going. So we will be showing how that goes as we go along, and then we'll even update you on what we did in the slide for the 3rd time. So those are our upcoming videos that we will be having, and you guys just stay safe, and we'll just see you out there. And remember to always take the scenic route. Remember to subscribe, like, comment, share, and we'll see you later. Bye. This is Foodie Friday.
Foodie Friday.
Yum.
Bye.